BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned, even in my last video, we mentioned when the price was within this move, we mentioned May, we can look at this as a flat. Any reversal buy we can look for. And now the question is whether we be looking for this. If we get any buy from here, we'll take it. And with the breakout of this top, we start to manage. Okay. Having entry above this top was one of the options in my last video, but no, I don't think so. I mean, if the traders still they want to have an entry above the stop, they really need to be careful. Okay, because right now if you're looking at this, we mentioned with the breakout of this, we have to start to manage. And having entry above this, what we want, if we see the way it's moving is a sharp, because we want the price break and continue. Okay, that's why having a trade by having entry above this is really risky. No, the only thing is we're looking for trade, we are looking for this correction. Okay, in this case we move to higher time frame. We start with daily chart, and based on daily chart we don't have anything. The question is whether we can get a bigger correction or not before we look for the continuation. I mean, we don't have even any, we cannot look for any trade setup. And if we move to forward chart, we're looking for this. Any trade from here we will take it. Okay, and even if you refer to the indicators, we don't see any indication for the reversal. That's why we can look for continuation. And if I move to 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, right now we're looking at this one as a short-term trade. If we get with when the price tag this top, we start to manage. One thing, can we put this one in relative to this as a flat for price to drop some more? Okay, it can happen. That's why if we want to trade this, what we're looking for, we're looking for the sharp move. If we get the trade from here, we see after the, I mean, they start to move as a corrective, we don't keep the trade because of this possibility. Okay, how about if I move to 15 minutes? All right, we're looking for this as a buy. Okay, right now we want to see how we can trade it. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart. The only way we can look for trade from this small correction, having entry above this. Rather than that, we don't have any other option. And what we want, price tag, break, and continue. With the price tag within 1 or 2 hours, we see it's not moving. As I mentioned, it's tend to a corrective move. We take out the trade. Okay, because of May, it tend to flat for one more drop. Okay, and as I mentioned, if any trade from here, we want to get the sharp move with the breakout of this, we start to manage. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.